Welcome. Today is part 3 of my fishing hook series. We are going to do snelling a hook, and here's what we've got to do to get started. Welcome, I'm Lisa, and this is Old Mama Outdoors. Okay, today the items we need are the fishing hook, the line, and the clippers. I just found some line that was a little bit better to see than my last video. So let's go ahead and get started. And I got some bigger hooks as well. So you take the line and you feed it through the eye and give it a little bit extra. Okay. And then you fold it back, make a loop. And then you wrap it several times around the line, the shaft. Ouch, everybody is suggesting 6 to 8 times. That's about it. And then what's left, you run it through the loop that's left, the end. And then you start pulling it. And that's not as neat as it could possibly be, but it's pretty good. And that should tighten up really well. Now, I will say this, I practiced this, and it looked a little bit better than this one. But when I tried to take it off the hook, it was quite difficult to get off. So I'm thinking this is a pretty sturdy knot and should hold up really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it again, demonstrate it again. Take the line through the eye of the hook, pull enough that it's going to be, you've got enough to wrap around, make a loop on the hook, and then start wrapping it. Six to 8 times. Now I think we're about to run out, so I'm going to go ahead and do this without poking myself. Take it through the hoop and then pull the longer end and just basically trim it off. And you're good to go. That is a pretty sturdy knot. One thing I didn't mention was that I have seen people that have lubricated the line by adding some liquid, whether it's spit or dunking it in the water or whatever, to help keep that particular knot tight. I did not do that, and it did come loose on me after I quit filming. So I am going to try that next time, as to adding a little bit of liquid to that line. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in some fishing t-shirts, I have them available at Old Mama Outdoors. And as always, thank you for watching, and take care. God bless. The line through the hoop.